ICAR, Directorate of Cold Water Fisheries Research.
Rainbow trout farming in recirculating aquaculture system will play a key role in order to improve the fish production in the country and also to enhancing productivity in our water bodies. DCFR has recently developed a recirculating aquaculture system.
Rainbow Trout Farming and Recirculating Aquaculture System RAS. In the Indian uplands, rainbow trout farming is the most remunerative aquaculture activity with remarkable contribution towards livelihood and food security. At present, rainbow trout is cultured in flow-through raceway systems where approximately 200,000 liters of water is used to produce 1 kilogram of fish. However, with ever-increasing competition for the available freshwater resources, greater emphasis has been laid on efficient utilization of water in aquaculture production systems. In this context, Recirculating Aquaculture System (RAS) is gaining greater significance worldwide as a disruptive technology which substantially reduces the volume of water required for food fish production. In India, ICAR, Directorate of Cold Water Fisheries Research, has taken the lead to develop, validate and promote climate-resilient cold water recirculating aquaculture systems for rainbow trout farming at entrepreneurship and backyard operational scales. In September 2019, a pilot-scale RAS facility was designed and established for rainbow trout grow-out culture at Bhimtal under the ICAR National Innovations in Climate Resilient Agriculture project. This facility has large grow-out tanks, experimental tanks, solid removal system, drum filter, moving bed biofilter, reservoir. Corresponding equipment were provided for water pumping, UV filter and oxygen cones. Oxygenation, electrical control and real-time system monitoring. This 50,000 cubic meter volume RAS facility has a production capacity of 2.5 tons of rainbow trout per annum. At present, we have achieved a unit productivity of 40 kilograms of fish per cubic meter by standardizing operating procedures related to water filtration, feeding, cleaning and health management. Concurrently, water use per kilogram fish production has been reduced by 100-fold and culture duration has been reduced to 5 to 6 months under optimal rearing conditions due to faster growth rates and efficient feed conversion of 1:1. Besides this, the Directorate is also working on developing affordable, effective and economically viable mini RAS prototypes for small-scale rainbow trout production.
DCFR scientists have done a series of research experiments and have come out a economically viable model of recirculating aquaculture system to culture rainbow trout which can be adopted by the marginal farmer of the hilly states of the country.
In the near future, this assortment of RAS technology will play a significant role in sustainably enhancing rainbow trout production in India with judicious use of water and land.